Mate, this Amazon truck's totally wrecked, but don't worry, we're bringing it back to life.
All right, let's get this bad boy to the garage, it ain't done yet.
Welcome to the shop, mate, 8 and 8. This is where the magic happens.
First things, let's clean this beauty up.
We fixing it every single dent, no shortcuts, mate.
Fresh paint, fresh look. Now that's what I'm talking about.
Back on the road, mate, ready to deliver again.
If you love this transformation, hit that like, follow and subscribe, mate, and stay tuned for more.